Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how to use battery saver and increase battery life in your device Samsung A33. So if you want to know how to use battery saver and increase battery life in your device Samsung A33, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you're the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this video and you will learn how to use battery saver and increase battery life of your device.